Just as with most all Adobe Creative Suite applications, Flash Professional will present us with a welcome screen when the application is initialized, allowing quick access to a number of common tasks. This lesson will give a look to the options presented to us through this useful mechanism. So here we can see the welcome screen. And as long as you don't tick this little checkbox here, which you can see brings up a warning, as long as you don't tick that, this welcome screen will always pop up immediately when you open up Flash Professional CS6. And here you can see there are a number of different categories. So you can create a fresh project from a template. So say you're doing something with advertising and banners. So you've got advertising here, and clicking on one of these is going to bring up this dialog, New from Template, in which we'll be able to choose all these sort of preset templates that change the stage size and so forth. And you've got a little description here saying exactly what this template is going to create. You also have specific banners. You have media playback options, presentations, and you even have things for mobile application development, such as Air for Android. Probably the most useful function of this welcome screen is that you can open projects here and get quick access to projects you've already opened. So I've got this project here, getting started.fla. So if I click on that here, you can see it opens it up for me, and I don't even have to browse my file system for that. So let's close that, and you can see once we close, the welcome screen automatically pops back up as well. A second extremely useful category here is Create New. And Create New provides us with pretty much all the file types that we can create within Flash Professional CS6. So we can create files of type ActionScript 3 or ActionScript 2, and these will create FLA files for us that are using that particular version of the language. We can also create Air files from here, or Air for Android, Air for iOS, or even Flashlight 4. We can also create ActionScript files, so classes and so forth. We can create Flash JavaScript files, entire Flash projects, and here we have sort of a templated sort of thing for ActionScript 3 classes or interfaces. So, for instance, if we create a new ActionScript 3 file, it'll create a new FLA for us, a new document, and it'll be targeting the latest version of Flash Player using ActionScript 3. If we close this out and go into ActionScript 2, it'll do the same exact thing, except it'll be targeting ActionScript 2. So these basically just set things up for us. Similarly, if we create an ActionScript 3 class, we can give the class a name. We'll just call it main. And we can choose whether we want to edit this class within Flash Professional itself or use Flash Builder. We're going to choose Flash Pro and hit OK. And then it stubs everything out for us with package and class declarations. So let's close that. Here we also have a link to the Flash Exchange, and this will take us to adobe.com, where we can download extensions for Flash Professional. And then along the side here, you'll see a variety of links to other resources where you can learn more about Flash Professional CS6 and related topics. Down at the bottom in this white area, we can see a number of links that take you to different places on Adobe's website that go over the new features. There's also a place that takes you to a section with information specific for developers and one for designers. Right aside from this, and you can see it here with this little Flash logo, you've got this area that's used by Adobe to transmit communication to the user. So messages could appear here about updates for Flash Professional, or extensions that have just been released, or any number of other useful things. This lesson has provided a demonstration of the Flash Professional CS6 welcome screen and the various functionality contained within it.